Welcome to Learn English as a Second Language. The right place to learn English quickly.
Listen and practice.
Allow me to introduce you to my wonderful family, the Andersons. At the heart of our family is my grandfather William Anderson, a distinguished figure at 75 years old. He dedicated his professional life to educating young minds as a history teacher and now enjoys a well-deserved retirement, where he imparts his wealth of wisdom to us through stories of the past. Beside him stands grandmother Rose Anderson, who is 72 years young. With a background as a librarian, she instilled a love for books and knowledge in our family. Even in retirement, she remains an active volunteer in the community, embodying the spirit of giving back. My father, James Anderson, is a 48-year-old software engineer, masterfully navigating the realm of technology. Meanwhile, my mother, Emily Anderson, at the age of 46, brings her compassionate touch to her role as a pediatric nurse, making a positive impact on the lives of young patients and their families. My sister, Lily Anderson, is a 23-year-old college student pursuing her passion for English literature. Her dedication extends beyond academics as she volunteers at a local animal shelter, showcasing her empathy for all living beings. As for myself, I'm Alex Anderson, the 20-year-old curious explorer of the family. Currently a university student studying environmental science, I'm also taking on the role of a barista part-time, embracing every opportunity for new experiences and knowledge. Together, the Andersons are a close-knit unit where laughter, support, and shared memories create a tapestry of love and belonging. Our grandparents' legacy, our parents' guidance, and the bond between Lily and me remind us that family is both the anchor that grounds us and the wind that lifts our spirits.
Listen carefully and complete the task about the question. Who is the eldest member of the Anderson family? What is grandfather William's name? How old is grandfather William? How old is grandmother Rose? What is the name of the father in the family? How old is the father? What is the father's profession? What is the name of the mother in the family? How old is the mother? What is the mother's occupation? What is the sister's name? How old is the sister? What is the brother's name?